You have already done primary auxiliary verbs. Now what you are going to do is you have to, we are using infinite number of what? Verbs while making different sentences. So how you are using them, these verbs, some verbs are regular and some are irregular verbs. Regular pattern verbs are which ones? Regular pattern. Could you tell me a regular pattern verb? Select, selected, selected. So this is the regular pattern of verb. Do, did, done. Do, did, done, irregular pattern of verbs. So this is how you are using variety of words while making sentences. For example, here base form I am writing go. Could you tell me first form of go? Going. Go and goes. First form is go and goes. Second form when. Third form ing form infinitive form well then, nice. The same manner you have to now. Please, I will give you some words, and you are going to write here base form, and you are going to write all other forms of the verbs. Right. Please, can you write what will be the first form? Right, writes, and right. First form, second form, wrote. Third form, written, ing form, writing, and to form to write. To form with to write. So this is how. Let me now. You have tell me. Teach, 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 teach. Taught, teaching, to teach. Next form, listen. What is the first form of listen? Listens, listened, listening, to listen. In the same way, there are many words you have got in your book. What you are going to do is you have to remember some words with the help of practice. Right? Without practice, you cannot digest all these verbs. For this reason, you have to repeat time and again, and hopeful that you will have command over all these words. You have to remember. So that's why practice them at home. Open your that grammar book. You have got variety of words there. Now, just I will give you some words, and you have to write all the forms of the words. I will give you here take, and bring. Take, bring, and sell. Take, bring, sell. Now you have to write down all the forms of these three words. Alright? Yes, please. Dear students, I am hopeful that you are going to tell me now different forms of the verbs. Earlier I have told you how to write all different forms of the verbs. Could you please, if you have written, the teach, first form of second and third form, and form. Teaches, teach, first form, good.
Second form taught.
Taught, third form.
Taught. Teaching, to teach.
To teach. Yes. How about you? Could you tell me all the forms of take?
Takes. Taken, taking, to take.
Yes. All right. Takes, take. First form. Took. Second. Taken. Third form. Taking. Ing form, and to take infinitive form of the verb. Yes.
Bring, brings. Brought, bring, to bring.
Yes. Bringing, to bring. Yes.
Sells, sold, selling, to sell.
Sells with third person singular again. It is again a form of a verb. Okay. It has got also form which we are using with third person singular. Sells. First form. Sold. Second form. Sold. Third form. Selling. Ing form, and to sell. Good. Next, gentlemen, please. Could you tell me? All right. You have finished. I think you have done all the verbs. Thank you very much. Could you repeat? Okay, please. Just sell.
Sells, sold,
Sold.
selling,
Selling to sell. Good, well done, nice. So, dear students, I'm hopeful that you are going to repeat time and again, and I'm hopeful that you would play your role in making different sentences by using this first form in your present simple sentence. Okay, use all these first forms in your present simple sentences to make positive, negative, interrogative, and interrogative, negative. Thank you very much.